Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the quarterly update of Sibanye-Stillwater here on Commodity TV. Sibanye-Stillwater is a leading producer in the precious metal sector. However, the company is also active in renewable energy metals and now has some good news to report. It has secured a 6 billion South African rand revolving credit facility maturing in August 2027 and a 1.8 billion rand gold prepayment agreement. This strengthens the balance sheet and greatly increases financial flexibility. The credit facility includes an option for Sibanye-Stillwater to increase the rand RCF by a further 1 billion rand later during the term by taking on additional lenders. The term is 3 years and can be extended twice by 1 year at the request of Sibanye-Stillwater. The interest margin is based on a sliding scale between GBA plus 2.20 and 2.80% depending on leverage. Sibanye-Stillwater, through its wholly owned subsidiary Sibanye Gold Proprietary Limited, was also able to enter into a 1.8 billion rand prepayment agreement in exchange for the delivery of 1,497 kilograms of gold in equal monthly tranches from October 2024 to November 2026. The gold delivered has a minimum price of 1.35 million rand, which is approximately $75,100 per kilogram, and a maximum price of 1,736,000 rand, which is around $96,600 per kilogram. The company was also able to secure a green financing package of up to 500 million euros for its Keliber Lithium project. The green loan secures the final financing of the capital expenditures required for the construction and development of the lithium mining, processing and refining facilities in Kaustinen, Kronoby and Kokkola in Finland. The loan not only completes the full funding requirements for the Keliber Lithium project, but also represents a significant capital injection for Sibanye-Stillwater, enhancing the group's financial flexibility and liquidity and ensuring that the group's available cash and credit facilities are reserved for operational and corporate requirements. The green loan is a special credit facility comprising of 250 million euros tranche financed by a bank and guaranteed by the Export Credit Agency, the ECA, a 150 million euros tranche provided by the European Investment Bank, EIB, and a 100 million euro tranche syndicated by a commercial bank. This green loan underscores Sibanye-Stillwater's commitment to the transition to green energy in partnership with the supportive lenders and confirms the transparency, robust disclosure and integrity of the Keliber Lithium project's green financing efforts. Proceeds from the green loan will be used to complete the development of the Keliber Lithium project. The total investment amount to 656 million euros or 667 million adjusted for inflation and will be partly financed by a previously raised equity component of 250 million euros. Finnvera, the Finnish state-owned ECA, has provided a guarantee for 80% of the ECA tranche of 250 million euros. This financing is in line with Finnvera's strategic objective to strengthen the operational potential and competitiveness of Finnish companies by providing loans, domestic guarantees, export credit guarantees and other services related to the financing of exports. The EIB's 150 million euro financing is in line with the EIB's commitment to accelerate Europe's green transition, promote technological innovation and support regional development. This is the first EIB financing for critical raw materials extraction in the European Union and an important step towards the EU's strategic autonomy. The tranche of the syndicated loan was oversubscribed by 7 international commercial banks, which participated in addition to the EIB loan. The main conditions of the financings are: the proceeds of the facilities will be used for the development, construction and maintenance of the Keliber Lithium project, which is intended for the processing of lithium and the production of lithium hydroxide, under a financing framework consistent with the Loan Market Association 2023 Green Loan Principles. The amortizing repayment profile is linked to the projected cash flows of the project with a final term of 7 to 8 years. The interest rate is variable and linked to Euribor with a competitive margin. This is all liberating move for the company, and we think the stock is definitely a buy. In 2020, the Sandouville nickel refinery was acquired with the aim of producing nickel sulphate for the European battery supply chain. In exploring this potential, the potential benefits of producing active precursor cathode material, PCAM, by reusing the existing chloride processing infrastructure of the Sandouville refinery become clear. As announced in March 2024, this was confirmed by a scoping study which confirmed the promising potential to produce PCAM. A pre-feasibility study is currently underway to determine the feasibility of producing PCAM for the European battery ecosystem through a novel proprietary process. A positive outcome of the final feasibility studies will enable a final investment decision on the rededication of the Sandouville refinery for PCAM production. So far, the prospects for the GalliCam project are encouraging. The novel process, designed and developed by our internal team in the European region, enables the direct production of PCAM from mixed hydroxide precipitate in a chloride medium, resulting in fewer production steps, lower energy consumption, lower carbon emissions, and fewer waste products per ton of PCAM compared to existing sulfate-based processes. The use of this chloride-based process is expected to contribute to competitive PCAM production costs in Sandouville. As such, PCAM has already been successfully produced at Sandouville on a laboratory scale, and a patent application has been filed in July 2024. The GalliCam project offers the Sandouville refinery an interesting alternative to utilize the existing chloride plant and know-how for the production of PCAM for the European market. It will use a different feed source, MHP, than the nickel matte currently refined at the Sandouville refinery. In order to offset the projected losses at the Sandouville refinery and prepare it for the potential production of PCAM, Sibanye-Stillwater has entered into an agreement to terminate a major commercial supply contract that expires on or before December 31st this year, 2024. Sibanye-Stillwater is back on track. The pointed figure chart is turning upwards, and we see an initial price target for the ADR of $5.50 as shown in the chart. After that, the old high of $11 per ADR from January 2023 should be possible target. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. We look forward for a like, and more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channel. Please note this disclaimer. The shares discussed are part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificates, and I am a shareholder of the companies. Thank you for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.